Yo, what up YouTube?
What up, guys?
It's Next Breed. I'm DJ.
I'm Josh.
And we are at the Toronto Car Show. Just wanted to do a little vlogging around, show everybody.
We don't just
What's
work
here?
out. We actually
Yeah, exactly.
do stuff outside of the gym.
We do stuff outside of the gym. We love cars. Me and Josh love cars. Trucks especially. So you're probably going to see a lot of that stuff. And here we go.
Next Breed shit.
That's a sexy car.
Automatic arrest. I would make it. One of my personal favorites.
But I don't think I'll be able to pull it out without getting arrested in this thing. Man.
Buddy, I'm going to jail.
I swear to God, man.
I'll save the tax dollars. I'll send myself there. Fuck it.
How's it going, man? Who you driving here?
Tradesman's dream. That's what it is.
Holy.
Holy moly, it must be my birthday.
Wait, what kind of horses you getting in this, man?
All 200. All 200, but it's all torque, buddy.
All in the rear, eh? What kind of rims you got on here, man?
Oh.
Yeah, look like
That's the optional. That's the optional option, buddy.
yeah. You got the alloys.
1 of 26. 1 of 26, buddy.
Holy. Let's look at some of the specs. Yeah, okay.
Looks to me that's my next vehicle.
Okay.
So let me see.
That's great.
Huh?
That's great.
You think so?
Yeah, it's great.
Is it coming diesel version?
I don't know yet. I don't think so.
Is that place asking the man about it? Yeah, Josh, you work here now, man.
Work here. We get employed by Ford now. See that?
That's how we do it.
We make connections.
Next Breed style, dog. What is it? You know, man, riding in 2019 Ford Raptor.
How do you afford this, man?
Buddy, I don't know, man. You know, this is what I live in. I don't have a house.
Oh, it's the mobile house.
That's it, buddy. That's it.
it.
You know, put the girls in the back.
That's it.
That's it, man. Fridge is in the bed. And you know, if I want to sleep, I just recline.
I'm liking it. I'm liking it.
Go anywhere I want.
There's the Tony. This is the Tony Mobile, man. The Tony rims, man. Look at the Tony rims.
How's it going, man?
Look at the steering wheel.
How you liking it? How you liking it? Just But this is where we come for our motivation. We look at these cars, we look at things that motivate us, and we use it to push us forward. That's it, buddy. You put in the work to save up for one of these, man. Beautiful car. Beautiful auto show, man. We're here. It is, man. We're all here in the GM. You know, big boy style. Yeah. Josh is the driver. Where are we going?
You know.
Oh, that kid just dropped dirty.
Oh. Oh. We ran him over in the 6.2. Yikes, buddy.
Kid almost lost his hairline.
He's a trooper, though.
Yeah, he's good.
Really nice. Fucking trooper.
But yeah, man, this is the new. It's a new GMC.
It's the new whip.
Want to show it around, you know?
Show what we got.
So we got, you know,
Just the cockpit right here.
you got the new steering wheel. We got the push button way down low by his knee. I don't know why they put it there, but you know, engineers. You know,
Got cameras everywhere.
that's it, man.
They put no gas in it for us though. Look at this, 158 kilometers. That's all I got.
Yeah,
GM, skimping.
that's snake stuff. We got babies back here.
Passengers too now.
We got passengers.
Great. Great for the family trips.
So
That's it.
Mom, you want to here?
You know what it is? We hop in the second whip. We got the limited. No, we're doing big things this year, man. We got it lights up.
Looks like there's fireflies in there
That's
right
it, man. It lights up. You know, I can't see little short people in front of it. Got a big ass door, some big mirrors. That's it, buddy.
now. Power stroking, buddy.
Power stroking. Rather be
That's
power stroking
it.
than coming.
That's
That's
it.
That's it. You got everything you need in here, man. You can hook up your microwave. You got slides. You got back seats. That's it. Look, we got a moonroof. Frick, man. You wanna watch the stars? We got it all, man.
That's it.
We got an 8-foot bed just in case we need to haul some more people. We got a hot tub back there, some shit.
That's it.
We got a nesty in here because someone's being an asshole.
Oh, they left one? Is it full?
It's like a jug of piss.
We don't trust that.
Yeah, nope. Not the next breed way, bro. We got aux switches for whatever you want to hook up.
Look at this fucking moonroof. This thing is amazing.
Yeah, this thing is nice. This is a serious.
Look at the bed out the back. Thing's like 25 feet long.
Yeah, this thing is long. I would not want to drive one of these.
The camera doesn't do it much justice.
Brake release. Oh. Where's the hood? Like?
Pop the hood. See,
That's what I'm trying to find, man. What the hell? Oh, nope. That's not. That's not,
newfangled trucks, buddy.
that's not it. That's the problem, man. They make this. Oh, that's it. Ah!
Sets.
And you're always ready to take you on your next adventure. Just go ahead and take a look.
So here it is. We got the 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel engine. I don't know how much torque it makes. A lot of torque. It's not class leading anymore, but it's a big boy.
Still enough to get arrested.
That's it.
That's all that matters.
Still enough to break your neck. And that's it, man.
Oh my god. I died and went to heaven. Alright guys, that's a wrap from the auto show.
Thank you very much for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, do all that good stuff.
That's
you know,
it.
I'm trying to show you the next breed way, trying to show you the life, trying to motivate you guys, get you guys out there doing the best you can do, living the best life.
That's literally, I couldn't say it any better, man.
That's it.
Next breed signing out.
That's it.